To enable or disable auto rotate screen on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen. Then swipe down again, and right here you should be able to find auto rotate by default. If not, you can click on the pen button, and then on the bottom of that list you'll be able to find this button. If not here again, then you might be able to find it in some of these icons right here as well. It must be somewhere around here. Then when you found this button, just click on it to activate it. When it's blue, it means it's on. When it's dark, that means it's off. So when it's activated like this, to make it work, we'll need to open a certain app that allows us to use this feature. And now when we grab our phone and just shake it, it will turn to our front, or if we turn our phone sideways, then it will change to the side. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.